Hey y'all, Jason here. Today we are going to be comparing the sound of the Rebel 1100 stock exhaust to the Coffman's Thunder exhaust. I'm going to kind of show you guys the setup and then we will do the test before and after. I'm not doing overall sound pressure. Quasi Motard has an excellent video on YouTube of a more professional decibel level test. This is more just how does it sound? I am using my Roland R-05 stereo recorder mic, which I mostly use for just getting song ideas down when I'm playing, but we're going to use it for this purpose today. It is exactly 5 feet from the back of the rear tire at this angle, roughly 45 degrees, and the mics themselves are placed about 38 inches off the ground. Clearly, you're going to have all kinds of things affecting the sound, reverberations from the ground, from the car parked behind it, my tractor, concrete, the house, a child wandering around. But anyway, here's the bike. It's 2022 Rebel 1100. I just got this a few weeks ago, kind of out of the blue. I really needed to get rid of a snowmobile, and I traded it in for this, and I've been pleasantly surprised. But anyway, this is about the sound test. So I'm going to do 2 tests. One is going to be from this position, and then I'm actually going to take the recorder and hold it right above my head as I'm sitting on the saddle. The bike is already warmed up. I'm pretty much going to just rev it a few times to about 4,000 to 5,000, and then also rev up to 8,000, which is the red line there. Alright, here we go. We are at idle. I am playing the sound file from my lapel mic here in conjunction with the Roland R-05, but cutting out my mic when I actually do the revving and right before, so you can just hear it at idle. Alright, and now I'm going to do it on my head. Alright, and there you have that part. We will put the new pipe on, compare those two back to back. Okay, and we are back. The Coffman's is on. Looks way better than the original exhaust, and we're going to see how it sounds. Just so you know, the original exhaust weighs about 11 pounds, and this one weighs just over 3 pounds. I will put up a photo from the scale of that. I don't remember the ounces exactly right now. But here's startup. A little bit louder at idle, not a ton. I've already let the bike warm up, so we're gonna do the old rev now. Good. I think it definitely sounds better. Hopefully makes cars a little bit more aware. And I think it's going to sound even better when it's actually under load and not just sitting here. So that's it. Coffman's Thunder Exhaust 2022 Honda Rebel 1100. Took about 6 minutes to install. Pretty easy.